What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to review, to check, or to see the information of the word count, okay? So the words counting that WordPress offers for you, okay? So you're gonna learn how to do this in 3 different ways right here into this video, but if you want to learn this in a special way, for an extra option, go to visualmodel.com blog, because I'm gonna embed this video right here into the post and you're gonna learn another way. So before anything, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours, because I'm sure that you're gonna enjoy our channel. We bring daily videos for WordPress SEO, plugins, and many more topics, okay? Now let's go to the tips. First, let's start on your WordPress dashboard, okay? So we always start on WordPress dashboard, and we have the word counter native on WordPress, so you can see the amount of words and amount of characters that you did type it on your documents, on your posts, on your page, for example, on your projects. Only go into the post, okay? So WordPress dashboard, posts, select the post or the page. And once on the post, we're gonna be able to see at the top of the page, next to the go forward or go back buttons, an icon, the details icon right here, okay? The upper left corner. As soon as you click on it, you're gonna be able to see the information on this post, okay? So we have 2 headings, we have 10 blocks, 6 paragraphs, we have 3000 plus words, and we chart this, and we have 508 words, okay? So this is the word counter. Why you should know the word, how many words your content have? Because of SEO, okay? So a good content to rank on Google, for example, it must have up to 500 words, okay? So 300 is the minimum acceptable, but we recommend now 500, okay? So this is how this is important, and it's always good to know more information about our content, okay? So nerds love statistics, né? Now let's learn how to do this using Elementor, for example, because let's imagine that you are doing your page with Elementor Page Builder, okay? So on Elementor, you will not see this option, okay? So you need to open the page build with Elementor using the WordPress native editor. So go to pages, select the page, click on it, just as I'm doing right now. And even while the fact that you cannot see the Elementor contents right here, you can see this detail icon, so you can see how many words we have on this page as well. If you want to check this with Elementor, you're gonna need an SEO plugin, for example, Yoast SEO, okay? So as you install Yoast SEO, the Yoast gonna count how many words your content have, because this is important for SEO. It's a search engine optimization factor, okay? So click into this the hamburger icon right here, into the upper left corner, click on Yoast SEO, and into the SEO analysis, you can see the amount of words right here, okay? So text late, we have 307 words. Looks like the WordPress did count 2+, so no, not a problem, this is good. Now we have another way to do this, okay? So we can do this with a plugin, but to explore the plugin and how does we use it, we're gonna do this into the tomorrow's video, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And in the case that you are in need of an amazing free WordPress theme and an awesome free WordPress plugin to build up your site, go to visualmodel.com or go to wordpress.org and search for our Enzo WordPress theme and Borderless WordPress plugins, okay? So you can have more options to build up your site in the way that you want. And in the case that you want to start with a ready website from the beginning and just need to change some texts into a previously made and for website, we recommend that you go to the Pro version and choose how many choose one of those layouts. You can see there's how many ones, so there's too much. You can start with a site just like this one using the Enzo Pro and Borderless Pro WordPress plugins, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!